Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is that I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where somebody's doing a trade recap or talking to you with hindsight in their favor, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, raw, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, then I'm confident you'll find value here in this video. So I will pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. I'm putting an order out there at 184. See if on the open I can get a move down to that area, and then ideally see it bounce. So we'll see if that happens or not. But the market, or the order has been submitted to the market. That's where you see via the white there. White meaning submitted, just not filled. So if the price does want to come down to 184 during that opening part of the day and fill me, I could see that being a interesting level. So I'll pause for now and I'll keep you updated. Okay. Market's open. Can it come down to 184? All right, it's getting stuck there quite a bit. So I'm going to go to 182 now, actually. So 182, we'll see if it wants to get down to that level. Well, here is 180. Still hasn't quite hit 184, but so I would not have been filled because it hit a low of 184.02. So maybe I'm glad I did cancel that order, because I would have been pretty irritated right now. Yeah, because that'd be $1 up. But I would not have been filled anyways. Okay, I will go ahead and pause the software. I'm going to go ahead and get short here at 191.27. Just 100 shares, because it is a bit of a higher risk trade here. So took off 50 there. And took off another 50 there. So just a quick $150 trade. Maybe it rolls all the way back over, but in my opinion, that's not the likely thing to happen. The likely thing to happen is it gets a bounce off that VWAP, but there are no guarantees in the market. So that's why I wanted to make that a quick scalp, and worked out just fine. So starting off now up 152. Tesla just continuing to pull back here. If you do hear typing, that's just me making alerts in the private community that I offer. Wow. Okay, I'm going to keep an eye on Tesla for maybe some sort of pullback here. All right, I'll go ahead and pause the software. All right, watching 184.50 here on Nvidia for a short. If it wants to come back down, again, 184.50. But as of now, looking like this might be a legitimate move back upwards. So let's go over to here to Tesla, because we might have, yeah. Going to try to get short here at 173 on Tesla, in at 173. Let's see if it wants to get rejected from this area or not. Trying to pull off a little bit of profits. Needs to come down 8 more cents. 1 more cents. There we go. Trying to pull off a little bit more. Did not get it yet. So still have 100 shares left. So take that out for another quick scalp. I want to hop back over to Nvidia here. Yeah, that one never gave a setup, so I'm glad I hopped over to, what's going on with Meta? Interesting, interesting. All right, I'll keep an eye on this one. But yeah, now 12 minutes in, up 250 bucks. I'll take it. I'll go ahead and pause. Did I even hit record? I think I'm recording. I am recording. Okay, I'll hit pause. Okay, I have an order at 201.50. Oh, got close. Went up and hit 201.20. So that was a move I was looking for. So I'll cancel that out. But yeah, I'm curious if this is just some sort of fake breakout or not here. You know, and I was thinking maybe 201.25. So even on that regard, I still wouldn't have been filled. I would have been 5 cents away, but still not filled, which would have been that much more painful than being 30 cents away. But 30 cents away is still relatively close when you think about how fast this one's moving. But yeah. All right. Well, never mind on that one. I will pause. All right. Watching 163.25 here on Tesla if it wants to come back into play. In 163.25. But who knows, maybe this is actually a legitimate move. And if that's the case, well then from the short side, I obviously want no part of it. And as of now, it's looking like it is. Okay, so never mind on that one. I will pause, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. All right, watching 163.75 here as a potential short. Again, 163.75. I will go ahead and pause. Well, I'm in an interesting spot right now because I'm either going to... Oh. And I missed it. Shoot, I was going to say I'm in an interesting spot because I'm going to close green on the day regardless, but I would like to try to get to 500. So as of now, and that was going to be my game plan there, and I missed it. I suppose I could be getting back in right here on the back test, but Tesla's actually behaving a little stronger than what the market is right now, which has got me thinking that maybe, just maybe, this move doesn't want to roll over. So, but I could still be wrong, and I still may enter, but I'm going to watch a little bit more. But yeah, as of now, I'd like to get to 500, but I definitely still want to close green. Even if that's 50 bucks, oh well. But that's a good spot to be in right now to know that moving forward, I'm going to have a green day. Sure, it might not be a very big green day, but I'm willing to have a not very big green day to have a $500 or more plus day. So that's where I sit right now. Although it is getting a little bit later on in the day, so I'm not going to force anything. I need to be picky, but that is definitely my mindset. So I'm in a good spot right now, knowing that I'm going to have a green day. But more of a question of, is it going to be a $500 plus green day or just a green day? Yeah, what's going on with... I'm just watching the overall markets right here, and you can see that it got rejected very nicely off that trend line. But Tesla is just still kind of going sideways here, so a little worrisome. I'll go ahead and pause. This is exactly what I meant. You can see now Twitter heading back upwards. Doesn't mean that I'm still not interested in it. I could still very well be, but you know, definitely some strength. 164, yeah, that's not bad at all. 164, 164.50. Yeah, I'll take that. I'll take 164. That'll still keep, yeah, I like this a lot actually, because I think it gives me a good chance at hitting $500, if not more. But if I'm wrong, I'll still be green. But I need 164. If that's going to happen, I'll go ahead and pause. I'm going to go ahead and try to get short here at 120.35, and I missed that. All right, I am... a little slow here on these. Tesla. Nah, that's easy in hindsight to say, oh, I could have shorted that, but I was already super extended going to that trend line. Wow, Tesla just getting destroyed. Uh, 181. Let's see here. Basically sitting right at that trend line right now. Yeah, Tesla on something. There must be some sort of news or something, or something's going on. Elon must be raising some money today or something, because this is just, whew. That's why you want to use a stop loss. Think that there are people buying up over 174. Hopefully they honor their stops and got out, because if not, they're not having a good day at all. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. It's 12:30 now. I have not been around very much recently, and just going to have to call it good. A little disappointed just because I was slow on a couple of trades and never quite got filled. But all in all, I'll take the $250 and be happy with it. Especially yesterday, lost $30, which so easily wiped away those losses. And plus some. So from a bigger picture point of view, learning lesson. That's why you want to manage that risk, cut the losses, keep them small. Because like I said, previous day down right around $30-40ish dollars, and now well above there. And on a day where very unimpressive trading, which is the lesson. If you find yourself needing to trade like a superhero, you're probably not managing your risk very well. If you got to trade like a superhero to get back your losses, but if you can kind of trade like you saw here. Very kind of not impressive, very anticlimactic, and yet you're still easily wiping away those losses. That's a good indicator that you're probably doing a good job in that risk management department. So that's all I have. If you enjoy these videos, hit that like button, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching and hanging out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.